Alright, Positively Geniverse, this is Dr. Gigi Disunga from Hiking James Project. Magandang tanghali sa lahat ng mga Geniverse natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Disunga. Okay, so announcement tayo. Ang seminar ko po sa Taiwan ay i-reschedule lang natin by April po. So, meron lang tayo naayos na venue plus number of attendees, okay? So, i-message ko po individual yung mga nagbigay na ng payment, okay? So, mag-usap po tayo sa aking FB page or FB account kung saan po kayo nag-send ng receipt, okay? So, mag-usap po tayo. I'll be there siguro mga April. So, i-message ko po kayo personal, okay? So, inaayos ko lang po ngayon yung aking After this vlog, I will be starting messaging you, okay? Alright, so, sa lahat ng mga 40 years old pataas, this is how you're going to make your own investment portfolio. So, dapat meron ka na investment portfolio at this point in time. You're already 40, 45, 50. So, hindi na dapat bago sa atin na investment. Pero, in the event na ngayon mo lang din na-realize na kailangan mo mag-invest, ngayon mo lang din nalaman na dapat pala nag-invest ako kasi medyo may edad na ako, pa-retire na ako, or pauwi na ako sa Pilipinas sa mga OFW. So, ano ba ang pwede kong gawin? Okay. So, sa lahat ng 40 years old pataas, pakitaas mo yung kamay. And mag-coffee po tayo. Get your notebook. Timpla ka rin ng kape mo. Magkwentuhan tayo. Mag-usap tayo. Kung meron ka nais sabihin, message mo lang ako sa mga messenger or sa number ko 0939-5254-311. Okay, so number one, para magkaroon ka ng investment portfolio, do not focus on your salary. Sabi ko nga, binlag ko yan eh. Huwag mong kunin sa sweldo mo. Mahirapan ka kasi. Hanggang sa mapagod ka, hindi mo matutuloy yung investment mo. So what you're going to do is add additional sources of income. Dapat talaga may iba kang source of income. Stop focusing on your salary alone. You cannot survive, you cannot make it na meron kang investment ng galing lang sa sweldo mo. Otherwise, mahirapan may magsasacrifice. Ito, kung paano naman ako magkakaroon ng other source of income, anong pwede kong gawin? Marami ka pong pwedeng gawin. Sabi ko nga sa mga previous vlogs ko, you can use your special skills. For every skill that you have, that can be one source of income. Kung kaya mong magsulat, that's one source of income. Kung kaya mong mag-MC, that's one source of income. Kung kaya mong mag-drawing, that's one source of income. Kung kaya mong magturo, mag-volleyball coach, anong klaseng coach man, special skill na meron ka, that's another source of income na pwede mong gawin. And from there, gagawa ka ng iyong investment. Okay? Second paraan, you can start your own investment portfolio sa mga 40 years old. Lalo sa mga 40 years old kasi, at 40, ang dami mo na skills, I suppose. Diba? Ako po, nung na-develop ang different skills ko, I'm already 43, 44, and even 45. Nung yung nagawa ko ibang skill ko, like speaking sa mga different seminars, coaching, online coaching, personal coaching, vlogging, writing a book. So, yan po yung mga skill natin. Okay? So, na pwede nyo gawin na nagawa ko, kaya mo rin. Because you're already 40 years old. More than the skills na ginagawa ko, kaya mo pong gawin. Okay? Number 2. Alright, so, dun sa additional sources of income na ginawa mo, you save at least 40%. 40% talaga requirement ko, hindi 10%, 20%. Because that's only an additional income. Nabuhay ka ng matagal dyan sa job mo, di ba? Pero, dokti, tipid na tipid eh. Okay. Kaya nga, 40 years old, 40% lang ang yung isa-save. 60%, i-tights mo, game sa mission, or spend it with your family, with yourself. Yung gusto mong puntahan, gawin, you do it. 40% lang. Yung 40% na yan, ayan ang gagawin mong pang-invest. Alright? And third, simulan mo na. So, meron ka ng yung skill mo, naging source of income mo na, you're saving 40%. So, ito na yung third, start your first investment. The simplest one. The simplest one is Pag-ibig MP2, 500 lang, initial, pwede na. Second, very simple, Sun Life 3-in-1, merong 1.5 a month. Kayang-kaya. Simple-simple. Diba? So, after that, pag na-establish mo na yung first, mamili ka sa dalawa na yun. Pero ako, I suppose, I suggest, rather, you get Sun Life 3-in-1. Yung meron ng life insurance, health insurance, and investment na kasama. Yan ang aking first suggestion sa'yo. As low as 1.5, pwede mo na simulan, okay? kung paano, message mo ko, refer kita kay Sir Jason. Alright? So, after that, a few months, umuulad na yung second source of income mo, third source of income mo, you again start your second investment. Like, go to Pag-ibig MP2, 500 lang. Okay? Then, after a few months, kaya ng budget, nagbabayad ka ng 1.5 sa Sun Life, 500 sa Pag-ibig MP2, then kumikita yung second source of income mo dahil nagtatagal na, ma-market mo na, napopromote mo na. So, let's say kumikita ka na ng additional 10,000 a month, kaya po yan. Because sa akin personal dati per hour ko lang sa pagiging speaker when I was just starting, pwede na 500, pwede na 3,000. Pero ngayon, habang tumatagal, so of course, nag-charge na tayo ng 20,000 for 2 hours, 15,000 for 2 hours. Dati, ang online coaching ko is only 500. Pero ngayon, nag-increase na tayo because of masyado ng mahal ang time ko po kasi ang dami kong pwedeng gawin. So, tumaas ang value ng time natin and I rebranded myself. So, minimum of 3,000 tayo. Okay? So, vlogging, medyo naging mahal na rin. Advertising your business. Okay? So, yun po ang nangyayari. Habang tumatagal, yung specialist skills mo, tumataas ang value mo. So, kaya mo mag-open ng iba't ibang klase ng investment. Okay? So, pwede ka na siguro magulugan ng lupa kung medyo may mura. So, real estate, add it to your investment portfolio. Okay? So, yung ITF, pwede rin. And eventually, mag-forex ka na. Diba? So, kung paano yung forex, message mo rin ako. I do online coaching on how to do forex investment, how to start your forex investment. So, kanino kayo lalapit? So, I'm doing coaching on that. So, message mo lang din po ako. Alright? So, in other words, nabubuo mo yung investment portfolio mo because umuulad yung second, third, fourth sources of income mo. Like in my case, I started po sa Manulife tayo nag-start. Okay? Then, Sun Life. Then, nag-co-op tayo. Then, nag-real estate tayo. UITF. Then, ngayon, we're heading to Forex and other investment. Bakit ko po nagagawa yan? Kasi nga, unti-unti, okay, umaangat yung ating second source of income, third source of income. What are my other sources of income aside from being principal? So, I am a speaker, a vlogger. So, companies are paying me to advertise their business. And YouTube, I have a YouTube channel, this one. So, YouTube is paying me. And I'm an online coach, a life coach, a personal coach. Sa mga OFW na yung family nyo dito, gusto nyo rin ipa-coach para pareho kayo na mindset, na kasabay sila. So, I'm doing that. Alright? So, you can invite me. So, yan po yung ating investment portfolio. How did I start? Like sa UITF ko po. How did I start my UITF sa BPI? So, ngayon nakikita ko yung pera ko ngayon. Nag-start po ako doon when I started doing overload teaching. Sa school po kasi namin, I'm required to teach 9 hours a week. So, nakuha ako ng overload para ma-extra income. That time. Siguro mga 5 years ago, 4 years ago. So, I'm earning at least 2,000 every payday, 4,000 a month for my extra load, overload. So, ginagawa ko, pagkasweldo ko noon, pinapadala ko na sa pamangkin ko, inuulog niya na sa BPI. Then, sa gabi, tinatransfer ko sa investment ko. Kasi may BPI login, online, di ba? So, magla-login ka, tapos matatransfer mo yung pera mo. Okay? So, then, after that, ayun, nabanggit ko na nag-Manulife tayo. Then, I bought my first investment na real estate. So, mababa lang ang kinuha ko. So, may lote tayo na ngayon. Papaayos natin, bebenta natin. Though, installment po yun eh. So, kaya natin. Okay, installment. Then, now, I'm starting another options. Okay, portfolio. Okay? So, hindi late. Nag-start ako building my investment portfolio. Anong edad ko na po noon? Mga 43? Would you believe? 43. Okay? In a span of 2 years, I established my investment portfolio. Meron na tayong at least 6 investment portfolio. In just less than 2 years. Why? Because I did it intentional. Nagbago mindset ko and I decided for it. Nag-decide ako, kailan may investment ako. I'm getting old. Alright? I'm getting old. So, I have to prepare for my future. I have to prepare for my health. So, I have health insurance, also an investment portfolio under Kaiser, IMG. So if you want to join IMG, you can also message me. So yung mga investment natin. And you can also do the same, Delivers. 40 years old, anday mo pwedeng gawin, use your skills. Or start your own small business. Then yung income mo dyan, ipunin mo. Huwag mong patagalin sa bangko. Start immediately your investment portfolio. Okay? So I can help you. So message mo ako. We can do online coaching or personal coaching on how to start. Kung nahirapan kang gawin, I have specific steps to help you. Okay? Ang mahalaga, lahat ng 40 years old, pataas, 40, start your own investment portfolio. Okay? So, please share this video sa lahat ng kaibigan natin. Kahit OFW, you can do this or dito sa Pilipinas para sama-sama tayong mabago at umunlad ang ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!